Ben Govier's business is being squeezed from all sides. The rent for his small ice cream factory is about to rise by 50%, while his customer base is dwindling, despite being based in one of the wealthiest constituencies in England.
Milk's the number one thing we buy here. That doubled over the last year. Sugar and other raw ingredients have increased. The cost of packaging, that's almost doubled in the last year. The cost of energy, we were paying £300 a month. Now we're up to £1,500 a month at our factory. And then just the general economic climate for our customers. If their mortgage has increased by £200, £300, £400, £500 a month, they've got less disposable income.
The Bank of England's announcement of a further interest rise will be felt by businesses and homeowners alike as it tries to bring down inflation from 8.7%. For the 1.4 million householders looking to remortgage this year, the news is incredibly worrying. This is the Conservative heartland of southwest Surrey, the constituency of Finance Minister Jeremy Hunt, where the average house price is $1.1 million. It's also one of the areas most vulnerable to crippling remortgage rates. In this traditionally Conservative area, 12,000 homeowners are facing average increases of $7,000 a year on their mortgages, much higher than the national average. When Jeremy Hunt won this constituency in 2019, it was with a majority of 9,000. The question is whether voters here will blame their financial pain on the Conservatives in the next election. A recent poll indicates yes, with support for Conservatives collapsing by 18% since the last election.
I've voted Tory all my life, since I was 18. The chance of me voting Tory this time is pretty remote.
My middle son said to me, "Mum, you know, you'll always be okay, but actually your vote could make a difference. So just try and do something different and vote Labour or vote to get the Tories out."
Prime Minister Rishi Sunak says he is completely confident that if the government hold their nerve, they can bring down inflation.
This is obviously a challenge. It's a challenge that many countries are facing right now, but we are on it. We are on it and we are going to get through it. And it's right that the Bank of England takes strong action to bring inflation down. They've got a target to get it back down to 2%. It's right that they deliver on that.
Right now, the electorate doesn't share that confidence. Charlie Angela, Al Jazeera, Haslemere.